Marketing can be tough, and that's especially true if you don't have a big marketing budget. Hi, I'm Mark, and I'm the instructor for this course, the Startup Marketing Crash Course. I created this course specifically with young people in mind who are trying to start a business but might not have a lot of resources for advertising and traditional marketing programs. This course is really practical, and we're going to give you a bunch of tips that you can put into practice right away. We're going to cover things like product market fit and guerrilla marketing, and we're going to look at a lot of creative and clever ways to grow a business. We're also going to talk about consumer behavior and look at some factors that would help you determine why someone would buy from you or not buy from you, or what affects if someone's going to buy from you or your competitor. So if you're ready to learn about marketing and start putting it into practice right away, join me in the Startup Marketing Crash Course.